Yo. What up, what up, what up? What is up, gang? Cool as. Yo, yo. Streamer of the Year award, yes. Let's get it. Cool, cool. What up, gang? What up, what up? Fuck. That sound gets stuck in my head, that fuck. Alright, man, let's have a look here. Let's do a bit of a top down. Swaggalicious, what up, what up, what up? What up, Gene, John? Fuck. Oh, that's good. Real Estate Slayer, wow. Alright, man, so the daily, as it looks, has no top wick. Yo, yo, Shibasaurus, what up, what up? The 4 hours looking wicked up. Oh, it's snowing there, wow. Yeah, we need Santa to tell us where, get a Santa signal. Get those Santa signals, son. Blown the live yet? I'm close. Yeah, I'm close. Bro, I'm actually close and I can't wait for the day. Hopefully I don't nerf me for doing it, but if I can go back to my XFAs, I'll be so happy, bro. I'll be so happy. But I'm thinking about really trying to nerf Apex in 2026. Because you can stack 20 accounts. I mean, come on, man. Yeah, rain in Dubai. You look like $1 million, really. Thanks for the compliment. Just chilling. 1 milli payout. Yeah, I mean, why not, man? Why can't we? Might as well try and get a lot out of Apex this year. Yeah, I can't be bothered sitting down. I'm in a standing mood today. What up, Will? Yeah, you're thinking about Apex as well? Yeah, good, good, good. Looks like you just hit the gym. Yeah, I did hit the gym today, but no. Cooper, what up, what up, what up? Apex good, yeah, good. So I'm gonna mark a level here. Let me measure the range a little bit. Like if we were to, yeah, maybe some sort of buy above here. See if we get any volume. See if we get any volume, you guys. Holy fuck, that scared the shit out of me. Siri's in my ears answering me from my phone. I'm not talking to you, Siri. I'm talking to the chat. She goes, the current volume is 56%. You think existing home sales will have... Yeah, I don't know, bro. Good to see you today. Good to see you here too, Moodgy. What up, what up? Allison, what's happening? Good to see you. Sun's out, guns. Yeah, it's pretty hot in Australia right now. Made 3K with QQQ using the strat. Nice, nice. Good way to finish the year. Fuck. Bluey, good to see ya. Good to see ya. Getting blue with it. So yeah, here we are, man. In a pretty lane, not the worst spot. We'll see if we get any sort of structure here. See if we can even potentially get a buy around here as well. Buy it back up. Yeah, let's see. Wait to hear the autofill from Tradeovate. Yeah, it's real aggressive, hey. Oh, so aggressive. This is the shits. Plan on buying or selling? Yeah, I'm going to plan on just having a look, see if anything presents itself. That's the main thing. That's the biggest thing I'm going to be waiting for right now is just seeing. If this can close green, I might be interested. But yeah, W to be with you guys, finishing off the year here. I mean, it's a good time of the year to really assess your performance this year. Out of curiosity, if you've been trading all year, you've been showing up, you haven't necessarily made a bunch of money, but you've showed up every year. Can you throw like a 1 in the chat? Because even if you've shown up, but you haven't made a ton of money yet, trust me, you're already above so many traders. Yeah. Honestly, bro, that's one of the main things is like just your ability to show up. Because if you've shown up but you haven't made a ton of money, you are better than this time last year. You're a better trader. You're better at the skill of trading. So now the next stage is let's actually start extracting money. But the skill has to come first. You can't bypass the skill. So don't be bummed out and think, oh man, I haven't made the money this year and shit like that. It's going to come in chapters. You have to fucking go through the skill stage first. You can't skip skill to money. You can skip skill to mummy, but that's about it. Have a baby. So we'll see if this candle wants to close with something. Feel like quitting? Yeah. I mean, December's been pretty hard for a lot of traders. So don't get bummed out about that. Like, I'm here right now. I'll take a trade if something comes, but I'm not expecting too much. I'm not trying to fucking expect some nice price action trading, but at this time of the year, to be honest. Going surfing now. Don't go around anymore. Trust me, I have wasted 7 months going around. I should have just stayed with Dan when I first... Yeah, that'll get you as well. But you know what? When I started mentoring people, I seen a common thing is like, you know, people would come in, maybe they didn't see the success they wanted. And it's not just me, it's in any community. They didn't see the success they wanted earlier on. And then they jump around, do a bunch of shit, come back, and then you start doing... And you just kind of go on a bit of a goose chase, which is fine. Some people need to do that, but a lot of the time you're wasting time, because believe me, bro, there's no strategy that's fucking perfect. There's no strategy that's going to make you money. There's strategy that's, you could get maybe a random payout, a random thing here and there, but you just need something that's going to be consistent. Yeah, what Ty said there. Yeah, I don't know what a demand zone is though, bro, sorry. So I can't answer that. What up, John? I heard a thing today, it said, trading's the hardest job in the world. He said it's the only job in the world where on some days, not only will you not get paid, but the boss will say, I actually am taking money from you. I was like, that's so true. Some days, it's not even that you don't get paid, it's worse than that. Sometimes the boss actually takes money. No plan B, that's right, man. Yep. Yeah, I can't see myself or anything. I'm just using just a laptop today, so if anything's cooked, just let me know. All right, man, so here we are. First 15 of London. Jab your love. When do you think I've already called it a December. I'm only here just to show face, and I guess if a trade shows up, I might take it. I don't want to go super heavy, but then I'm also kind of considering it because I'm only 1,500 away from passing this 300k account. So I'm like, I guess I'll try and finish on the next trade. But were you at the time on Bondi? No, thankfully. Crazy, man. Alhamdulillah, rain in Dubai. Nah, today I might do a couple more streams. I don't know. Monday and Tuesday I've got some work stuff, and then after Monday and Tuesday I'm out. Yeah. All the way from Cape Town. W Cape. What time on the Rolex? I mean, time to win. Time to win, my dudes. Hey, you guys, anybody that's been kind of chasing their tail a little bit, but here in, here throughout the year, and you want to take your trading to the next level, I'll probably work with a couple more people, max. A couple more people over the next couple months. Go to danielholmestrades.com. And you can apply to work together there. But yeah, we want to keep it relatively tight. Why is it not loading? Does this load for anyone? We've got 3 minutes here for that first candle closure. We'll see what happens. Nikki, does that website work? Yo, Tucker Banks, what up, my G? Oh, it does work? Okay, cool. Yeah, it must be internet here. Tucker Banks in the chat. So see if we get a bit more strength on this candle. Let's say it broke and we were looking to take a break at the high. What do we got for range? 20 something ticks, yeah. Suman, what up, my G? Haven't seen you in the chat for a while. Good to see you. Yeah, you need a girl first. That's the issue, Tony. Hey, Dan, do you use fib? Nah, no fibs. No fibos. Where am I? Pezzosaurus, what up, my friend? Peztopia. Yep. Mike Hunt. Oh, shit. Bro, that name's a trap. Alright, man, we've got a minute here. We do have a minute here. If anyone sees anything on NQ, let me know. How's your personal account? Bro, I've barely been touching it. I've barely been touching it because it's a bit of a mission to log into on this website, on this laptop. I'd pull it up right now, but I can't be bothered doing it because the screen's so small here. But it's still in the 20s range somewhere. I've really got to focus on that next year as well. My gox. Fuck. Thank you. Okay, there's that closure. Market will go up or down or dead. Man, we'll have to see, I guess. It's hard to tell. Could just have a bit of a drop here. Create a bottom wick over here. I don't know. Santa's watching. Yeah, no full margining. No mambling. Santa is watching you right now. Santa. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button for the stream. Make sure you smash everything up for the stream. And for a trade, you're doing this to entertain us, yeah. Bro, does this dude even not take random trades when I want him to? So 30, so first 30's still open. Yeah, in a bit of a lame spot here, we'll have to see. Bullish order block. Yes, I knew it. So, bro, which time frame is this? This is the 15-minute. Yeah, I think the way it's set up, you guys can't really tell. But yeah, I'll be back to Habibi land soon. I can see your box. What? What about ES 30 min? Yeah, but is there volume in the market? What are the candle bodies looking like? Who wants to do a good deed and mentor you? If you wanted to really do a good deed, you would pay somebody to mentor you. And if you said, I don't have money though, then you would do an even better deed and get yourself a job and start having income and feeling better about yourself because you got income coming through the door. Then you spread a better energy to the world, and then you get yourself a mentorship and just elevate to a whole nother level. You know what I mean? So you could actually do way more for the world than somebody else just doing something for you. What's your job? Whatever your job is, job your love. You know, there's a new one going around where this girl's like, I mean, I know this one's old, where she's like, I walk into a room and I grab all four corners in my brain and I put the room in my pocket. Lunatic. But there's a whole nother level of that. She goes, when I walk in a room, the room walks in me. I am the room. You're not a room though. You're a human being. All good. Right? It's all good. But you're not a fucking, you know, what's that? Plaster. You're not a plaster room. You're a human. Jab your love. Can we ask roughly how much the mentor is? 47 trillion cents. Oh, fuck. Tyrone, what up, G? Show your entire screen. If you want to see my entire screen, you come over to youtube.com/Tim Westwood TV. I'm from Pakistan. You know what? This whole stream I've been thinking, I wonder if Fortune Apparel is from Pakistan. So thank you for telling me. Now we can continue the stream, my brother. Straight up. Carolina, what's happening? Jab your love. Steady round. Alright, so we're kind of pushing up. Yeah, I'm going to be trading this 300k account. It's 1,500 away from passing, so I'll see if I can snag a decent setup to get it over the line today. And then just whatever. Yo, Shem, good to see you, brother. Good to see you, my friend. Hopefully Santa's going to give you lots of presents. Santa. Shem's still in the basement under a light, drinking a bottle of like whiskey, taking trades. How's Top Step Live? Shit. Yeah. Trying to get rid of it, to be honest. Make a video on how you started trading. This is how I started trading. I've had, like, watch the podcast, right? Daniel Holmes Trades podcast. And I've kind of spat the bars. But long story short, loser, tried to find ways to not be a loser, found trading, solved my money problems and my purposelessness problems. And now I'm living in Dubai. Looking yoked? Really? Nah, it must be lighting and angles. Actually, no, I have been going to the gym more. Some people that I've seen here in Australia are like, oh, you look bigger. And I said, wait till you see my dong. Yeah. Been eating so bad here in Australia, though. Eating so bad here in Australia. Austria. Why does the sale not go down? Logic. Wait, what? Why does the sale not go down? Logic. Please try to explain that again. I'll try and help you, but I don't know what you mean. No. When you return to Oz and trade for a short term like now, you get taxed? Ah, good question. Probably not. It would all go to a Dubai account. You know, my whole life, my sister's had like a lot of money. I mean, not a lot of money, like more money than me. And she's been always like the one that paid. Like the amount of times throughout my life I'm like, fuck, can I please borrow $100? Like that has been like the story of my life. And now coming back to Australia, you know, this morning I slept on their couch last night because my niece and my sister, and she's like, oh, I want to get coffees and that. And I go, pulled out my Dubai bank card. I go, here, go get the coffees, go get breakfast. And like, I know it sounds like nothing, but it's just like, don't ever think it's too late. I'm literally 34. I'm about to turn 35. My whole life, I've been borrowing money off her. Now, I show up as an alpha wolf. No, but my point is that, you know, things can change. It's just it's a small thing, but it's just, I thought it was an interesting moment. I'm trying to tell a fucking story and you're calling me a wolf. God damn it. Woo! Zesty. That was a zesty as fuck. Bro, if a wolf ever sounded like that, god damn it, man, that's some zesty wolf. How old are you now? 34. Anyway, last time I ever tell a wolf story. You seem like a good guy. Nah, it's all illusion. I'm a piece of poo. I'm a big fat poo-poo head. Jab your love. It's late. It's late for me. Hey, why are you training this time? Because it's late for me. Oh, bud, you are a legend, absolute champ, bro. How are the kids? Which ones? I mean, what kids do I have? Slow action? Yeah, nothing really happening just yet. Just kind of waiting. How's it like for you? You're on the other side of the world. Very legit. So you're a boxer? No, I'm not a boxer. I did a couple a while ago. A couple of boxing matches, but I'm not a boxer. The only thing I'm boxing is, yeah, I don't even know. All right, we've got 5 minutes for his 30 closure. If this can make a bottom wick and then push up and close small body green, I might be interested in an impulse sell. Too much patience required to get an A+ setup. You know what? Good point. So with that being said, let's start taking C- setups, because that's going to... Sylvia, I was just thinking about you before. What kind of feeling is it to be able to give your cards a yeah, that's the story I just said. It was like, yeah. It wasn't... It's nothing at the time, but when you think about it later, you're like, wow, isn't that interesting how things can change? Doesn't matter how much time goes by, you can always change your life. Sylvia, I really liked your video today, even though I didn't know what the fuck you were saying, speaking a different language, but it looked cool. You're doing like a podcast. I'm 98. Is it too late for me? I'm 98 years old. Is it too late? You stand up? Yeah, I'm standing up. I'm not in a sitting down mood today, so I decided to stand up. Yeah. I see your box fight. Oh. I'm going down the coast tomorrow to drive around. This is another thing. So my high school mates, actually primary school mates, the guys I grew up with my whole life, we're going down the coast tomorrow morning, and I'm hiring jet skis for us all, for the three of us. We're gonna go broom, 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 and then we're gonna go watch the Jake Paul fight. Hey, bro, Jake Paul's gonna die, right? All good, but we're gonna see a horrific, concussion. I mean, it's almost worth putting a bet on him just as like because the odds are so cooked. I did like it, yes. Fentanyl energy in the mentorship, I know. Yeah, we've got to put some of these guys down. Oh, look at Carly over here taking some sort of type 2. Shem's popped his head up after 9 years in Jerusalem. Oh, this was a Shem trade. Wow, what pair is this? What the fuck is M and Q? Wow, don't know anything. NASDAQ. Okay. If Tommy beat him, surely AJ? I know. Yeah. Break down how to trade prop firm, please. Watch my YouTube videos. I have multiple videos on how to break down prop firms. Literally. I've talked about it. I've talked about it in a way that a lot of guys don't, which is be an aggressive degenerate about it. So, yeah, I know, Shem. Yeah, nice one. Good freaking, good trade to do on Friday. Check mine. Wait, in the Dissy? In the mentorship Dissy or the free Dissy? Hey, I don't know if anyone can see my screen, but there's a blue symbol over here. Let me see if you guys can see. No, you can't. All good. We'll reveal all very soon. Anyone that here, I'll give an invite for the free Discord community here. Here's a free Discord invite community. Yeah, post it in the chat. If you join that, that's a free Discord community. Oh, Nikki, can you ban this dude? Oh, no, don't ban him. Bro, okay, you're saying to me, funded next, not supported in Bangladesh. Okay. It's like me spamming your inbox saying, marijuana is illegal in Dubai. It's like, okay. Do you think it's going to go low before it push ups? I have no idea. All I know is I'm going to react to what it's ever going to do. I'm going to react to what it's going to do. Mike Tyson was at the pinnacle of his leaking top secret plans. Yes, you got to give Slithers, Nicki Minaj. You've got to give Slither doors. Fuck, there was something I wanted you to do, Nicki. What was it? Damn it. I'll voice you. It'll come to me later. You and Shib got shit countries, but VPN. Yeah, VPN is in Dubai as well. You need that shit hard out. 100 USD Christmas gift for me, please. Nice. You got nerfed. Free meditations. Yeah, Nikki, can you free meditations? Alright, so it looks like gold pushed back up here off this level. Jake Paul is definitely going to win. Wait, I don't know if you're being, I can't tell if you're being serious. Why not sail 15-minute close below? The reason I didn't sail because the 15-minute close below is because the way it looked on the higher time frame. So remember, it's really important to be able to do like, you can't just base something simply off the 15. You have to like do a higher time frame overview to see what's up. So on the 30, it kind of overextended, very wicky. 30 next 30 levels kind of like just there. The 1 hour is like got a doji in the middle, I believe. Yeah, doji in the middle. It's just not the right conditions. There's no like clear direction. The 4 hour is almost implying strength, like potential support to move up. I don't know, anything, bro. Honestly, right now, anything can happen. It's very rare you see this many 4 hour wicks just be left alone and not closed below type shit. Anything can happen. A lot of, yeah, I don't know, man. We'll see. Yeah, I think I just went through that then, Stoic. Jake Paul is at his peak right now, unstoppable. You're talking about Anthony Joshua, the gold medalist Olympian boxer, former world champion, top of the pinnacle. He's 6'6" height, 253 pounds. He's got like 30 knockouts on his record and a ton of experience. Jake Paul's gonna die. Jake Paul, the GOAT of boxing. But you know what? Who knows? Jake's very good. He's very good. So we'll see. Oh, they're rage baiting you? Fuck. Okay. Jake Paul's a bum, but he's not a bum. He's like a very good fighter. He's been training boxing for 6 years straight, hired the best nutritionists, the best coaches, dedicated his whole life to becoming a boxer. So in this period of time, he's got to an extremely high level with massive dedication. That's not a bum. That's like real dedication. But he can't compete against a world. I mean, yeah, to compete against fucking Anthony Joshua is just, yeah, that's just a whole nother thing. Oh, you only got audio on the right? Yeah, thank you for telling me. I know how to fix that. That's annoying. That's really annoying that that's something that's been happening. Mono. Convert. Yeah, that should be better now. All right, man. So I'll be interested if above this level for sure. Yeah. Thanks for understanding. I watched your whole YouTube video and watched daily support reel. Yeah, Andrew Tate versus Chase. Andrew Tate should absolutely just piece him up, like make it look easy. Yeah, the skill level is just completely off there. Andrew Tate should completely nerf him, just make it like he should almost be able to toy with him at some point. Tony's out. Tony out of what? Tony, you had one fucking job, to stay in. My Top Step been crashing lately, causing me to lose my account. Just email them and say that exact sentence and they should hook you back up. If you literally type that exact sentence. Yeah, Tate goes back like this, which is very dangerous because Chase has very long arms. Their whole game plan should be to step with the punches and try and get Tate as he goes back like that. But Tate's also been doing that his whole career against high level fighters. So, you know, I don't think that Chase is going to have skill to actually catch him. But, you know, I don't think that Chase is going to have skill to actually catch him. But, you know, I don't think that Chase is going to have skill to actually catch him. But, you know, I don't think that Chase is going to have skill to actually catch him. But, you know, I don't think that Chase is going to have skill to actually catch him. But, you know, I don't think that Chase is going to have skill to actually catch him. But, you know, I don't think that Chase is going to have skill to actually catch him. But, you know, I don't think that Chase is going to have skill to actually catch him. But, you know, I don't think that Chase is going to have skill to actually catch him. But, you know, I don't think that Chase is going to have skill to actually catch him. But, you know, I don't think that Chase is going to have skill to actually catch him. But, you know, I don't think that Chase is going to have skill to actually catch him. But, you know, I don't think that Chase is going to have skill to actually catch him. But, you know, I don't think that Chase is going to have skill to actually catch him It is very dangerous how he does that. Yeah, Project X being mega crashy. I know it's a kickboxing thing, yeah. Because they do this, they do that for the kicks to avoid the kicks. They literally bend back like the fucking Matrix. I don't see why you would think Enchi Joshua has a clear advantage or a skill. Fucking rage bait central. Guys that got liquidated? Yeah, Chase is fucking wild fighter. Chase is so good. He's got that viral video where he's like looks hella zesty when he's getting punched, like trying to miss shots and shit. So man, let's see. We've got a pretty like obvious level above here. Yeah, we'll see. Ton of volume right now. Back to go and sleep under the bridge. Yeah, fair. I mean, what was the setup, Rod? Pez is the man. Pez is actually wearing a suit. He's actually really a Nigerian guy from Nigeria. But he's wearing a suit. A skin suit. Pez was reliable. Man, I've watched like every one of freaking Cliff Connectley's videos. It's insane. Ty just pops up in the fucking TikTok chat. Oh shit. Boss, what time frame are your daily really cooked on gold every day? Even I like your strategies. Yeah, what I don't know what you mean, but yes, sir. This price action is crazy. I know volume's through the roof. Volume is just roofied. Crazy push there last night on CPI. I mean, that was a pretty nice setup here to sell down. Pez versus Ty. Final day of the year. Yeah, we'll probably have a crack Monday and Tuesday. Why do you like Dubai? Because I don't have to give half my money away to the government? Cheap tequila shots in the real estate. Yeah, exactly. Fuck. Alright, man, we've got 5 minutes. Says how this channel can close. Daniel, are you still affiliated with Bullinox? No, I was never affiliated. Anyone can be affiliated with Bullinox. Yeah, anyone can be affiliated with Bully. You just got to have a big dong. That's all. Do you know what Botham Ufma Nutask? Wait, what? Do you know what the Botham Ufma Nutsak feel like? Nutsak? The fuck, bros? No, I didn't say anything. Bro, I didn't say anything. Bottom. I didn't say anything, bro. There's no way I said a word there that sounded like anything. I don't want to say it. Bottom. Nude sack. No, I didn't say anything. There's no way that was a word. Read it again. You're going to miss a lot, Grift. You're going to, bro, but it's just a part of the game. It's a part of the game. Don't think about it as missing a trade. Just think about it. It's not your setup. Good stuff, Craig. Let's get it. Stop. Do you give out signals? Do you give out lap dances? Bro's too good for this chat. Bro, I don't... Oh, Silver. Siri, stop. Shem, I wonder if you're looking at futures or Forex. What's the symbol for, is it HG or that's copper? What's the symbol for silver? Oh, it's here. Nice. Does anyone know what the symbol for silver is on with Apex? Damn, gold. SIL? SIL 6? G6? Cool. SLH6? Ah. Yeah, it's interesting because there's definitely this level over here I'll be concerned about a bit. I mean, is there enough range there? I'm going to stand down silver, but if you guys are interested, I haven't done enough analysis on it. Alright, gold just pushed very aggressively here. It's a bit annoying. Just spam H. Fucking hell, man. Alright, let's see if gold still holds above. It's kind of filled a lot of the fucking range. We'll see. Silver mini's better. Yeah, let's keep an eye on this silver level here. See if we can re-break the high of the day. That green line represents the high of the day. Maybe silver's got something for us. You have a lot of attitude. You don't even reply. If you say something worth replying to, I'll reply to it with so good that you'll be so surprised. 14 seconds. Bend it like Beckham. I'm putting on my healing glasses that have holes in them. They help your eyes work. For me, it's fake out. Yeah, I'd love to hear your reasoning behind that, Farid. It kind of closed right at that level. So did gold. Damn it, these aren't working today. I can't see. Looks weak, yeah. Looks like both of them kind of bitched it here. And silver closed right at the level. And gold basically did the same. Did you stop using Top Step? No, I've got Top Step. I live account, but yeah, I've still got that. Tony. But that's all good. Make sure you guys drop a like for the stream. If you don't like the stream, if you don't like the stream, you think I'm fat, ugly, and autistic. So please like the stream. Are you for? Yeah. So tough one here, you guys. Let's have a look here. How did the breakout look on Apex? Damn, it looks fucking nice on Apex. 8 likes so far. Yes. Yeah, Tony, when's the next move? Something like this is very... So you're going to get these type of scenarios. It's fisheye lens. Yeah, exactly. Looks like Nikki's on a nerf. Artistic, yes. Nikki's on a nerf spree. So you're going to get these type of scenarios, right, where it kind of moves from support all the way green, punches through, leaves a big wick at the top, kind of fills a lot of the range. Like, I actually wanted to be a part of a lot of this kind of move. That was the move I wanted to be a part of. Like, if it could have closed here, engulfed, retested, I would put money on the line to bet that it could punch through these wicks and fill up here like it's already done. So right now, it's going to be tough for me to be interested in taking a buy on this current candle. What I'm going to want to see is, I'm very likely going to want to see this candle maybe create a bottom wick. And if it can come back up and hold up here, small body, that'll be an hour closure and a 30-minute closure, showing pretty good strength above this area. And then we can participate on the next one. It's going to be for me, that's going to be the only logical, like the only smart thing to do right now. And if you do anything else than that, you're not smart. You're stupid. The stand down. Yeah, fully got nerfed over here. Silver, what do you got for us? I'm a silver surfer. Doesn't it become an overextended candle on the 15 because much green? It just depends. Like, I mean, if the higher time frames are making enough sense, I'll still be interested, even though it's a lot of green. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Even though it's a lot of green, if the higher time frames make a lot of sense, then I'll still be interested. I'm not interested in Q until it breaks above this level here. Might as well put a line here. Bro just puts lines on charts and thinks you can trade. Yeah, above that yellow line, if I get a closure above there, then I'm happy. I'm an Island boy. Daniel, I'm short. Tony back at it with a short position. Big Tony back at it with a short position. Daniel, do you want like a galaxy? If so, answer my question, mate. If I answer your question, you have to give me 73 galaxies. If not, guys, I'm going to need galaxies to answer the questions. Yeah, more galaxies. Come on, guys. Who's seen that dude? He used to make content about going to his 9 to 5 and then became an influencer, and he just got roasted by everyone because he was asking for galaxies. Yeah, guys, I can't answer that. I'm going to need galaxies. Yeah. Tony. Best prop firm? Bing Bong Funding. You guys fuck with Bing Bong funding? Anyway, let's have a look here. You're getting married in May, you're going to need the bread. Start up in this, start full margining. You know the old saying, if you want to make more in trading, put as much pressure on it as you can. So plan for it to pay for your marriage, to escape your 9 to 5, to get you out of debt. You want all those things at once on your back as you're trading. It'll help your performance. Yeah, the background's brizzy. Yeah, here, look. That's a little boat. And that's a brizzy river. Oh, you've heard of Bing Bong funding? Nice, yeah. Don't listen to that advice. What's the name for the position size you have? Huh. That's a question I've never heard yet. Do you do mentorships on location in Dubai? I mean, if I did mentorships on location in Dubai, I'd charge you multiple 5 figures. Yeah. Bing Bong funding good, nice and easy to get in. So we're going to need to see how this candle closes because there's going to be a 30, a 15, for 1 hour and everything. So let's see. I'd like this to close small body green above this level. Have you taken a trade or not? Oh, you've got a live account with Bing Bong. Nice. Are you staying in Bean Lee? Yeah, I should have, but I'm not, unfortunately. Minimum you should start with is the absolute minimum possible. Because whatever it is, it's going to be gone. But that's okay, because you got to let it go to be able to make. I mean, we're all here trying to trade and make something out of this, and the thing is, we've all chose a really difficult thing. But then you go, oh man, well maybe I should have started that coffee shop. Well, that's going to be difficult as well, because you've got to manage staff, you've got to do this, bing, bang, bang. Like, everything that you pursue is going to be extremely difficult. I was talking to my sister last night, and she's going, can you teach me how to trade? Blah, blah, blah. I'm like, I can, but you're not going to go through what it takes. And she's like, yes, I will. I'm like, you're better off pursuing something like starting a meal prep company. I'll help you with that. It's like, you like cooking, let's find something that you're interested in, because she just sees, oh, Daniel making money from trading, a bar moving up and down. It's got to be easy. Huh. Interesting. Wait till you're in a dark room and you've freaking blown all your accounts and then all your childhood traumas come up and yeah, it gets dark, my G's. Not me though. I'm not going to blow an account. All right, Greg. I said that as well. When I came to trading, I said, I'm going to be different. I'm going to get profitable in 2 months. Well. What are you doing in the basement? Shem thought he was the only one in the basement. I'm funded with Bing Bong, Orion, and XP. See you later. Yeah, it takes years. Oh, it doesn't. Yeah, it can take a while. I mean, people that think it's going to take quick typically don't last any more than like 2 months. How come you're back in Brizzy? I mean, good question, honestly. I guess it's just for my sister and my niece, but if it was up to me, I wouldn't have come back. Completely. I'll be honest, my first 2 days here, the worst mental health possible. I was so like negative in my head. I was just like so stressed out because I was in such a good routine, and then I just threw it all out of whack. But now I'm back to normal. Bing Bong funding. Never blown an account with them. Nah, not permanently. I'm just here for Christmas and shit. Back to Habibi land. Yeah, exactly right. We've got 4 minutes here for this candle closure. Hopefully you guys are keeping an eye on silver. I'm assuming silver's probably doing a similar thing. And we can look at potentially buying. Yeah, I've got one more trade and I get this 300k account over the line. I'm telling you, man, next year you guys are going to see me on some crazy leaderboards with 20 Apex accounts, just milking the shit out of them. Milk, milk, milk. I think Apex is the go for next year. I mean, they promote, they want you to get 20 accounts because they know that everyone's degenerates and they're just going to blow it. But, you know, we'll do it and not do that. So this 30 is starting to look ugly. Yeah. Come on, we've got 3 minutes to maybe like, this is good if it becomes a bottom wick. Wealth charts, brother. Wealth charts was 10 dudes sitting in a boardroom thinking, let's fuck making the best platform ever. Let's make the worst one ever. And they all put all their ideas in a hat and created wealth charts. Was it easy to get on social media in Oz since they introduced the new rules are just for kids, but they've already cracked. Kids are already all over it. Yeah, my niece is 11. She brought it up the other day. I was like, how did you do it? She's like, it's easy. 20 counts as crazy psychology. It is. It is. I found a lot of success with Top Step because I was linking them sometimes. We detected that inactivity during the live. Complete the verification. I mean, come on, bro. Got to do puzzles. It is, but yeah. But I was linking accounts, so having 5 at the same time doing shits, and then I would break them up some other times and go heavy on one, and maybe if it didn't work out, I'd lock out of that account and then I'd move on to another one. And I would always kind of just be good to go kind of thing. I'm an island boy. So we've got a minute and a half here for this candle. Looks like it's breaking back into the range. If it breaks back into the range, what's the probability that we might look at selling? It's just so choppy. Like, look at the 1 hour, 30 minute. I don't like trading within this shit pit. We'll keep an eye on this. We'll make a decision very shortly if we want to sell. I don't really want to, but we'll see. How long have you been trading for in total? How many years? 5 probably in total. And 3 years gender neutral. The current NQ candle. Nah, I'm not touching NQ until it breaks above that range I marked up before. How much do I risk per 50k account? It depends, bro. Sometimes I go crazy aggressive, full marge. Sometimes I go medium. A good standard is just like $200 a trade. If you can pocket $200 a trade, you know, that's more than most people make it at a 9 to 5. You know, we get this crazy thing in our mind when it comes to trading, like, because it's just numbers on a screen. And it's like, there's $200 USD floating on a chart that could be in your pocket. And we're like, I want more. Brother. Tony's a market maker. Ah, Tony. We should have listened. All right, I've got 4 seconds here. It's coming down. Fair bit of strength here. Yeah, maybe a sell at the break of the low. I don't like it, but at this point, I'm just willing to just do whatever. I'm a degenerate. Nah, you know what? I said to myself, I've got to stop taking stupid trades when I'm on stream because it's really just out of boredom. Because I would never sit in front of a chart like this and then I'm like, let's just make something happen. And then I forget that people like take the trade as well. Put a cursor on Tony's tip. If I be a professional here, what I would like to see All right, let's put our professional hat on for a sec. What I'd like to see if I was looking for a sell, I don't want to take it the break here because I can see to the left, you know, not, I always pay attention to the immediate left, but sometimes you got to be real about it. And check this out. Look how many times at this exact level price is rejected. At this exact level that we're at. So if we're looking to sell there, I know so many times to the left, price is massively rejected off this level. So it's not going to completely stop me. What I would like to see is, I would like to see this 30-minute break, but not come down too far. I know I'm asking a lot, but this is just what I want. Not come down too far, then reject up, retest this level, and if we can break the low again, then I'll enter. That's it. That's the only way I'm going to be interested. Now you can call me gay or whatever, but that's what I need to do. So right now, it can't go any lower than that. I'd need to see it now pull back up, and then if it can pull back up, create a steeper top wick, then I'll put an order in. Order filled. The fuck? Look how different it looks on Look how different it looks on this shit. Yeah, so I'm going to need to see a steeper top wick. Like 100% going to need to see a steeper top wick. So how, sir, and now in Tony terms. Tony. There's a burger. Tony's ruthless. Tony. Order filled. Put my glasses on. China. We had the most black votes. Sleepy Joe Biden. Is it better to go for a 300k account or a smaller one? A smaller one. If you were in Wednesday's New York session, would you have taken a buy and how to manage? I don't know, bro. What? You're going to need to send a screenshot into the Discord or something, or what exactly you're talking about. I can't just know where you're talking about. Is there really no music, Pez? That's not real. That's not true. Maybe it's just really low. Come on, gold, bro. Just for once in Christmas time. Sleepy Joe and then fell asleep. Did he really? That's hilarious. Daniel Trump. Yes, sir. Yeah, we need a Trump tweet or something right now. Funded next. Yep, link in bio. Funded next, link in bio. Great prop firm. Tony, are you funded? Tony's got a live account with Apex, Top Step, Bing Bong, Alpha. Tony's live with every prop. All right, give us a bit more of a steeper top wick here, please, gold. And that would be very appreciated. Appreciate ya. Cha-cha. Wow, what a wick. First stream with you. Do you price action? Yes, sir. Good to have you here, Joshua Woods, the son of Tiger Woods. Woodsy. Make sure you guys drop a freaking thumbs up for the stream. Help the algorithm. Of the algorithm in the charts. What's your opinion with live capital and prop? I don't like it. If I wanted to trade live accounts, I would just trade a personal account with a broker. It's not why I trade prop. Shorting here? I'm going to need a steeper top week if I short here. Yeah, that's where my heads are right now. Yeah, going to need a steeper top week. Steeper top week? Doesn't even make sense. Seven minutes on the clock. Let's see what we can do here, man. We'll see what's up. Like a better trade is if it actually pushes up and breaks through this level up here, but we'll see. Been following you for quite some time. Been watching your reels. Nice, good stuff. Him and our candle looks like it wants to flip. I mean, the our candle just opened up, so we'll see. Yeah, we'll see what's up. There's not much movement here. We're running out of time on this candle as well. Yeah, this is weird. Do you ever take breakouts based on the 30? Yeah, for sure, but like it has to make sense on the 15. I can't. Anytime you ignore the 15, you're in trouble. I think the 15-minute candle is like one of the most underrated candles in the whole market. Like it actually provides a lot of information. It's like a good balance between not too much noise and not too strong. Your strong candle. Nice, man. Good stuff. That's good to hear. Welcome in, my friend. Yeah. Oh, there's a nice top wick. The issue is now we're running out of time. The candle's going to close here in 5 minutes. So be a bit more patient here. Gonna have to exercise a little bit more patience. What if the 30 is still open but the 15 closes above the level? Yeah, that happens all the time. That's actually what happens most of the time. So that's when you got to go through the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 30 minute and build a overview, like build, you know, a bias, I guess, to make a decision on whether you're going to put a bet on or not. Yeah. You have to use multiple time frames. If you get a breakout with a 30 and a 15, it's very rare because it's like a very like high probability breakout then. Doesn't always happen. You kind of have to follow the 4 hour. Like, where does it look like the 4 hours heading? Where does it look like the 1 hour wants to do? Did the 1 hour in golf. You know, I got to put all this shit together. I've been eating tuna for dinner every night. It helped you a lot. Good stuff, man. Good to hear. That's good to hear. Happy for you. Ain't Q do anything? I can't be bothered checking. The only issue with waiting for the 30 is you're going to take like no trades. Yeah. This is gold. Fucking hell. I thought you were serious then, Pez. I mean, the amount of people that probably do that. Do. When I wake up in the morning, I blow accounts. I mean, if I actually think about it statistically, the most accounts that I've blown is waking up in the morning and trading pre-Asia or something. Where it's just like that eagerness to fucking get in, or the eagerness to try and get a move before the... In my head, it's like, oh, let me try and get in before the market, like, directions kicks in or something like that. Like, I don't know, you kind of make a bit of a story up in your head. Sometimes it works. So if we get a break above here, that's going to be pretty good. Same, yeah, legit. I swear to God, it has something to do with it. The fact that it's in the morning as well. Because you wake up and you fucking... You know, you want to... Yeah, exactly, Tyler. That's literally what I was just about to say. Morning wood. Music's still quiet. Okay, let's have a look. Bro, can I get any more fucking bright? Alright, we're moving up. We've got a minute here. Come on, gold. Push my little bitch. Yeah, but the thing is, Space, if I wait for the next one, you probably won't, you'll miss it. It'll be gone by then, most of the time. Yeah, 9 seconds here. So nothing just yet, man. So the thing with that space bound is now you have to think about it like this. Depending on where it closes, let's say it closed a bit closer. We want the next candle to break out and then that'll be the 30 closure. You want to make sure that this candle that breaks out is always bigger than the previous one if you're looking for that 30 breakout as well. So that's something to take into consideration as well. Yeah, you think you'll catch the entire daily move if you enter at Sydney Open, bro? That's legitly it, eh? You know, if I take a buy here and then pushes up, I could catch the whole day. Like he's some sort of freaking Wizard of Oz. The trailing drawdown on Apex is very tough. I've blown so many challenges in December because of trailing drawdown. Because I've been so used to Apex with the end of day drawdown. Does anyone been funded with Top Step where with Apex, does the trailing drawdown stop at, you know, your starting balance like most of the other companies? Or does it keep following you forever? Bro, legit, Ty. Wait, you really can't hear music on YouTube. It says that it's playing. Can you hear it now? With it all the way up? All time frames, Sheriff. Yeah, December has been tough. I hear it. I can. Oh, there you go. Yeah, it's sweet. So I'm surprised it's low. It says that it's really loud. All right, man. Let's see how this candle running out of gas here. So I'll see if this candle can do one more, and then we'll move on. Yeah, I seen Mitch. Just as I left. Crazy. I hear voices in my head. Fuck. Yeah, Ty, that's true. I mean, the bad thing about Dubai is you can't go on your balcony because there's so much sand in the air. It just, everything gets sandy. So there's employees in Dubai that are 24/7 washing down fucking buildings and shit and washing all the sand off everything. Isn't that crazy? I mean, God just did it for free for Dubai with the rain, but yeah, it's just very interesting. Mitch, I'm thinking about streaming Monday and Tuesday, and then obviously having the rest of the year off, and then I'll probably be back January 1st. I'll get straight back into it. Yeah, why not? January 2nd should be good onwards. Yeah, so if anyone ever needs a job, you could always be hired as a, you know, building hoser or whatever. Saw your story about struggling to take a break from the market. I had 2 bad days this week and I decided to take a break, but the pull to go back is so strong. I mean, I didn't really say I was struggling to take a break from the markets. I was talking about life in general. It's hard to mentally switch off. I don't really believe in taking breaks from trading. Yeah, like one to 2 days should be good. If you're feeling burnt out or you keep blowing accounts and shit. You know, take 2 days max. Oh yeah, we'll keep doing seminars in the mentorship, Mitch. Yeah, we'll do that throughout for sure. I mean, it's only 1 week. We'll do one next week, definitely. Yep. Are you still an alien? Oh, fuck. It's hard being an alien. I fucking forgot about that song. Being a human. Just bitch on freaking mushies singing that song. I'm in Brisbane. I'm in Brisbane right now. You need an indicator, Bollinger Band, and stochastic. If I don't get it set up after this candle, I'm going to take one based on Bollinger Bands and stochastics. Stochastics. Yeah, volume's very low. And with that, the 2025 season comes to an end. I'm gonna fucking throw my phone. Hatred. Trailing drawdown stops me moving when... Oh, really? Vanessa, that's good to know. Beautiful. Yeah, we can milk Apex then. Change the green screen. Legit. Imagine this whole time it's been a freaking illusion. Ah, so it has to be in profit. It's not at the initial point, it's actually the profit point. Wow. So for a 300k account, that would be, I think, that would be, yeah, 7.5k in, yeah, in profit. Yeah, something like for a home workout, legit. All right, so this candle's kind of move up. We've got a couple minutes on the clock. Let's see if we can break above. Like Space was saying in the chat, it'll be a 30-minute break out as well, which is looking pretty nice, and yeah, we should be good to go. 307, yeah, okay, fair enough. I mean, it's a tall order, to be honest, but that's really tough. That's very tough. That'd be the part where you'd really want to be on your P's and Q's to get out of that drawdown. Because it's not even 50%, it's less than that. Like 7.5. Where the profit target's usually is 20k. Dan, you get your people to contact Gold Futures people and tell them to close above for us. Yeah, that's what I'm hoping for. Yeah, I'm hoping the connections have been made. Connect, man. Have you ever sussed out Take Profit Trader? I think I got one of their instant funding ones and I just didn't respect it and just full margin and blew it. But it doesn't matter because I don't like the consistency rules in funded phases. Like instant funded accounts have crazy consistency rules. It's like 17% and shit. Yeah. What are you on? Nothing. Gold. Yeah, that's the plan, Ty. They're all the slaves. All like Willy Wonka chocolate factory. You guys are all the them little yellow dudes. Wow, that sounded racist. No rules and no payouts. Fuck yes. Trading being single will be such a blessing, man. Trading having a family is utter chaos. I mean, whatever you do, it's always going to be difficult regardless. Yeah. I'm looking to buy if we can get a closure. Oompa Loompas, that's right. Yeah, revolutionizing the game. Never been seen before in the trading industry. No rules and no payouts. That's right. $400 an account and you have no rules. You can full margin use. And that's right, you heard it. No payouts. Use prop firm. Not as a buffer, as a actual trader. Oh. Yeah, I'm going down the coast in the morning, getting on some jet skis. We're going to jet ski around, then we're going to go to a pub to watch a Jake Paul get knocked out. But I'm thinking about putting $500 on Jake Paul as just like a last minute, you never know. And it times it by 7 if you win. I've never betted on a sporting event. If you guys want a broker, the broker that I use is a link in my bio on YouTube. Your first deposit, you get 100% bonus. Put in 1,000, your account will have 2,000. But you have to use the link in my shits. All right, so we've got 3 minutes here. Can we get a closure above? I know Jake's not going to win, but, Yeah, I live in Dubai, but I'm in Brisbane right now. Can you put on 1K and take out 2? Fuck. Oh, that's so good. What should the leverage be? You mean, what do you mean? You mean the leverage? Or are you asking how much you should risk? Can you withdraw the bonus money, brother? Tilt is too real. Tilt is one of the biggest killers in trading is tilt. Lose emotional control. Out of body experience. Levitate out of your body. And then, you're in like a trance state while the degenerate out of body person is the one trading for you. And then when all the accounts blow up, it goes back into your body and you wake up and you're like, where'd my accounts go? You just hit tilt. So be careful. If this was a couple hundred years ago, it'd be called demonic possession. Can you do a video on exactly how prop firms work extending to drawdown? Brother! Hey, dude, can you do a... Can you do a video on how tables are how tables get reconstructed after they've been demolished, The only reason I'm not going to do that is because, you don't need to do it. It's just Google it. It's not interesting. No one cares. No one will want to watch. I tilted Wednesday, took 14 trades in a day. It was horrible time, but humbled, overthink. Yep. Never want to feel like that again. Exactly. And that's like the biggest thing that'll change tilt is I never want to feel like this again. We've got 30 seconds here. The market has been a little bitch, man. We have 30 seconds and the market has been a little bitch. Come on, bro. I want you. Yeah, this is where the new firm comes in. Crazy marketing. Can you do a video on how to levitate back into your body after it's taken? Oh man, that's a tougher one too. That's a tougher one. That's for sure. All right, man. So we failed to get this breakout, and I'm failing to be interested in staying here much longer, I think. Fuck. I'll hang out for a little bit longer. I just want to see if we can get... I just want to see how this candle develops. If nothing happens here, I'm done. Are you still living with your mum? Mummy! Somebody's asking about you on the stream. Yeah, come. Hi, I'm Daniel's mum. Wow. Made me trip over my fucking cord. I'll hang out with this camera. I mean, I'll hang out with this camera. I'll hang out for this for one more candle. Oh, is the mic chopped? Check. Is it broken still right now? Really? It should be good now, I think. Is it better now? Okay. Bro made me trip over the fucking microphone. That was my mum that just came in. That was my mummy. So we're gonna see if we get a break above. W mum. Yay, it's glitching really bad. Yeah, that dude really fucked me up. Now everything's glitching. Just past 50k, nice. Luckily you measured the time it took. Dude, please make a video on support and resistance. Brother, if you actually wanted to learn that, you would go through my content and be like, huh, that's interesting. He's made 7 billion videos on support and resistance. Shows that you're not a true player. Player. There's a burger in China. All right, we'll see if this candle breaks out. Billions. Bro literally lives in his mum's basement. Yeah, no, I don't even know where my mum is. She probably freaking does live here, I just don't know. You know, there's a video I've seen ages ago where a dude lived in another dude's like roof, and he would like come down and raid the fridge and shit. Could you imagine that? Could you imagine if you were chilling one night homes, you know, having a J or whatever, and then you woke up to go to the fridge and some dude's in your fridge? What the fuck? What's your girl look like, brother? There needs to be an S on the end of that L. Girls. Nah. Nothing, bro. It's such a desert out here. You would be it's actually embarrassing how much of a desert it is for me in the girl department. Good stuff, Simple. Please make a video on why we have green and red instead of... Yeah, I only get scammed by them. What's the next watch purchase? The next purchase I ever do will be a car. Because when I go back to Dubai, I actually need a car. I kind of don't want to rent one again. But I just can't be bothered buying one. Yeah, alright. Last candle, we'll see what happens, man. See what happens. Feel free to give me a Rolex and a car for YouTube, for a YouTube video. What kind of car are you interested? I have no idea, bro. I kind of want to get a good one, but then I'm like scared that I have no money left because I've been broke my whole life and I'm scared I'll still run out of money. So I don't know. I'm not sure. I think the car price in Dubai are just like the same. Yeah. Lambo. I was looking at so to get a Urus in Dubai, you got to probably put down 100k AUD and then I mean a couple grand a month, maybe 5 grand a month or something. Pay about 5 grand a month. So 100 USD down and then 5 grand a month. And it's like, you'd want to be making a lot of money because it's a depreciating asset massively. That's the main thing. Don't think you're going to make any money off it or anything. Jesus was reliable. The evidence suggests. Yeah, get a Yaris. Yeah, you get license plates in Dubai that are a bit more expensive than the cars. I'm on the 15-minute time frame. Do you ever overtrade in regards to lots or revenge trade? How did you break it? Yeah, man, I went through years of that. Years of that. Everyone does. The only way to get over it is to identify that you're doing it and then decide to stop. There's nothing else that can happen. Nothing anyone can ever say is going to change you. I can tell you everything right now and it's not going to mean anything until you decide. One ball can change it all for you. We've got 6 minutes to decide the future of everything, you guys, if we can break above here. How did you break the pattern? Okay, if you have issues breaking your rules, revenging, overtrading, overleveraging, impulse trading, if you have these issues, let me tell you something that's going to change your life. If you don't stop, you'll never make it in trading. All good. But if you don't stop breaking your rules, you're not welcome. That's all. So take that information how you will. But at some point, you're going to have to make a decision. Does it mean that at times you can't go extra aggressive on a trade, knowing that, if it goes south, you might blow an account, or you're going to have to put risk on the table sometimes, and you're going to have to do things that might seem a bit degenerate, but it's not. At some point, in order to make money, you do have to be a bit crazy. Like you do have to take some risk. The only reason I was able to have like literally close to around 100k a month in November was by putting on a certain amount of risk. Yeah. What do we got? 4.5 minutes. So yeah, just remember that. Remember, you will get to a point where you start to be more aggressive and risky on like shit that in your early days you would have been like, oh, that's considered revenging or that's considered risky. But you do get to a point where you kind of, or impulsive, but you will get to a point where you're, where you do a bit of that. But in the first couple of years or whatever, you gotta learn to be super disciplined. It's really hard, man. It's really, really fucking hard. So considering that's hard, just give up. Yeah, just give up. There's that pop. Yeah, Mac as it is. Choose your hard, exactly. Choose your hard, my brothers and sisters. At the end of the day, yeah. Anything that's difficult to obtain that has like a good outcome, if you do obtain it, is gonna be hard. All the easy shit provides a whack outcome. I nearly gave up after blowing 2 accounts this week. Just give up, bro. I blow 2 accounts every 5 minutes. You know what I mean? Struggling with old fears when trading funded accounts. Anyone struggling with old fears when trading funded accounts after finally passing a challenge? Yeah, that's just normal. You're still fresh in the game. You're still experiencing things like that. You got to just face it, face the pain, face the fear. Blow it to make money, yeah, exactly. What happened? You stick to your rules. When I stuck to my rules, things just started to connect a bit better. You know, the thing is, psychology is a big thing. Like, it's very stressful mentally to like do degenerate shit all the time on the chart and break your rules. It's very draining. So just even sticking to your rules, you build like a level of respect for yourself. Oh, come on, gold, bro. Ever tried a 5k funded account? Bro, I actually have a 5k funded account floating around somewhere. I meant to buy like a 50, but it ended up being a 5. So here's the thing. Could you do this? Could you stand in front of a chart for like 2 hours waiting for a thing to happen and then it moves away from you? I mean, look at that 1 hour. Who the fuck would have thought that this would happen? You know? Let's be patient here. Let's see what happens. If it pushes up above this level, maybe, and closed above here, maybe that could be interested. Because, yeah, right now, like, there's nothing I can fucking do. It's too extended now. We've got 22 seconds. I don't know, man. Fuck. Oh, fuck, Bluey. Yeah, gold has no chill, man. Why didn't impulse? There was absolutely no sign there for me to impulse whatsoever. Wow, look at this, you guys. Yeah. Has NQ got anything for us, man? Or silver? Has anyone keeping an eye on silver at all? Anything happening over there? Oh, there's that break above level on silver, yeah. You're hesitating. Oh, really? I'm hesitating on executing my strategy where the system didn't even show up. What? I mean, London, this has been London, right? How long have we been in the session for? An hour and 45? Yeah. What helped you stick to your rules? Knowing that if I break it, I'll never find success as a trader. Yeah, bro, you're a scammer, bad trader. Your bloodline's depending on this trade. See how you see the wording you're using there? You're saying 100 pip missed. How is it missed if it's not your setup though? So if you see CPI move and the candle pushes 200 pips, do you say a 200 pip move missed? Or do you say the market just moved 200 pips? So it's not your move unless your system arises and your setup, your playbook shows up. My playbook entry didn't show up, so I can't take the fucking trade. Yeah, man. Connect, Brown. Love you guys. Love ya. I'm gonna call it. Yeah, it's unfortunate. So take it easy. It's fucking Christmas. Who gives a shit? And I'll be back on Monday. Yeah, I'll be back on Monday. So alhamdulillah. Appreciate you guys showing up. And I'll catch up with you on Monday. Monday as. Peace and prosperity. Thanks, gang. Bye-bye. Bye.